Hold! Is that good? Got it. Oh!
Get over here, boy.
Don't miss it. We got plenty of room. We got a whole field! I want you standing right there, and if it's here, no shoot. Gotcha. And if I swing, here I won't shoot.
Let him shoot the first one.
Yeah, you take the first shot, and if you miss, I'll back clean up.
I'm gonna miss.
Is the safety off?
Yeah, that's all.
Pull the trigger all the way.
Oh!
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you. Wow.
Jesse, hit it. You can hit it.
Put it out front, Brent. Stop your wrists hard in the middle.
If you wait, if it's
It'll
going away and dropping, that's a hard shot. You want to get it on the ride.
Okay. Oh!
Did you pull the trigger all the way again?
Yeah. Careful.
Hold on. Hold it away from you.
It's not caught all the way up. Don't put that dirt in there.
Nice way to hold it. I understand it, you know. Make sure whenever you pump it, that you put it all the way forward. I think that's what it was. Another skeet you wasted. Congratulations.
I'm
I
sorry.
can go get it. It's not broke, right?
Yeah, we can go get it. There's a lot.
Yeah.
I wish you could put it all the way in the thrower. We could throw it further, but
What happened to that ski throw? Oh yeah, bro.
if you use your wrist,
You can put it all in the thrower. I did it yesterday.
I broke 2 already trying to do it. 4 left.
That's all you got left?
3 over there, and there's a few out there. Or some over there.
Those black ones you can't put in there like that. But the orange ones.
Use
you
your
can.
wrist. Go. There you go. Hold this.
We're out of ski.
What happens
Don't
when
do.
you shoot once a year? I usually don't miss.
It's like an egg hunt.
I usually hit 8 or 9 out of 10.
Find those colored eggs, Jesse. Brent, he's winning.
You just snap to it.
The 2 lovebirds. Oh, YouTube.